everyone, welcome to Pratha. This is Kavita Gobarkar. I'm here with our video number 2 of our black sarees, Sankranti special collection as we call it. So yes, this video is entirely dedicated to raw silks. Okay, this is the first raw silk saree, a very beautiful zari checks raw silk with a stunning tri-colored border. Now this border has red, orange and pink, 3 colors in it, and beautiful zari checks woven all along. A very elegant saree. The price of this one is 9,800. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. A very beautiful pallu, and this is the contrast blouse. Okay, if you like it, I hope you've taken a screenshot by now. Send it to us. We'll give you price details. We'll tell you how to place the orders, and we'll help you with your shopping experience. Now this is the next one. A stunning piece. Light, I think, Bandagar. This is black with silver zari butta on it. Again, this is pure raw silk with a beautiful zari pallu, and the beauty of this saree is in the blouse. It has a beautiful brocade blouse. Okay, so this is our raw silk with brocade blouse collection. Price is 10,000. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The next is another pure raw silk of stunning saree. This is one of a kind. This is not a part of any typical collection, as in this particular saree we don't have any more colors or combinations in it. It's a single piece, a very beautiful one. I'm just going to come close and show you this beautiful handloom border. Very beautiful, shaded in shades of blue and pink. Very stunning piece. This one is priced at 9,500. Just confirm, sorry, yeah. And this is the gorgeous pallu. A very classy saree. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. The price I've already told you. This comes with a plain black blouse. Okay. Now let's move to the next saree. The next is another raw silk. Raw silk with zari butta, small zari border. This is again in silver zari, and it comes with a beautiful zari pallu. Black with maroon. The silver zari looks very beautiful as in contrast with the maroon color. Okay, this is the saree. The price of this one is 9,500. This one comes with a plain contrast blouse. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. These sarees also make for really good gifts. So if you want to gift any black saree to any of your closed ones, raw silk is a very beautiful variety. अशा कॉमन न होणाऱ्या साड्या आहेत, अजिबात अशा सगळीकडे बघायला मिळतील अशा साड्या नाही आहेत. नाउ दिस इज द नेक्स्ट वन, अ ब्रोकेड रॉ सिल्क. अगेन दिस वन हॅज सिल्वर जरी, अँड आय थिंक दिस इज व्हेरी संक्रांती अप्रोप्रिएट दिस पर्टिक्युलर साडी, कारण ह्याच्यावरती हे जे छोटे सिल्वर बुट्टे तुम्हाला दिसतील ते असे काय म्हणायचं, संक्रांतीला अगदी साजेसे असे आहेत. सो येस, दिस इज द ब्युटिफुल ब्लॅक सिल्वर ब्लॅक ब्रोकेड, अँड दिस इज द पल्लू. Lovely maroon pallu again, and this is the contrast blouse. The price of this one is 9,800. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The next is again a very similar combination. तुम्ही बघाल तर कॉम्बिनेशन जरी सेम असलं तरी प्रकार प्रत्येक साडीचा वेगळा आहे, प्रत्येक साडीचं डिझाईन वेगळं आहे. दिस इज इन आवर segment wherein we show zari line raw silks. So these are beautiful raw silks with zari lines on them. This has silver zari lines and a very beautiful grand looking pallu. This is the pallu. Excellent saree. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. The price of this one, 9,000. Okay, sorry, 9,000 is the price of this saree. Okay, let's move to the next one. The next is, now I had shown this collection a few days back. I had posted a video and almost all sarees from that video are sold out. We had saved this for our Sankranti collection. So here we are, a beautiful black raw silk with zari butta, beautiful zari border, and a stunning ikat pallu. Just look at the pallu. The ikat pallu is in soft silk, and it has a beautiful ikat blouse as well. So the beauty lies in the blouse and pallu. A very stunning combination. I know this saree is not going to last long. So we had saved this one for our black sarees collection. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next saree. The next is plain raw silk with ikat pallu and ikat blouse. A beautiful, beautiful piece. This is pure black. एकदम light में लगा. Beautiful black raw silk with a ruby pink colored pallu. हाँ सर reddish pink color है. It's not red. It's reddish pink and it has this stunning blouse. Okay, a very very beautiful piece. This is one of our most popular collections. Price is 9,500. Yeah, 9,500 plus GST. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the last saree of this video, the last one, and a very very beautiful piece. Now this is a charcoal black. असा एकदम डार्क ग्रेश ब्लॅक कलर आहे. चारकोल ब्लॅकच म्हणतो आपण. कोळशाचा कलर कसा एकदम जेट ब्लॅक नसतो, असा ग्रेश ब्लॅक असतो तसा आहे. अँड इट हॅज दिस ब्युटिफुल इकत बॉर्डर ऑल अलॉंग द साडी, सिल्वर जरी चेक्स अँड दिस लवली पल्लू. Very very beautiful saree. This one comes with a contrast blouse. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. This particular saree is priced at 7,500. Okay, so yes, this was our video number 2. I'm coming up with 3 more videos. Stay tuned. Do not go anywhere. Thank you.